This is the entrance, east facing, 4th floor. This is the entrance passage. This is the flooring. This is the first guest bedroom with the double bed, mattresses, book rack, full-fledged cabinet, and back entry to another balcony. This is the attached bathroom to the guest bedroom. Now we enter the living room. This is a big, spacious living room with 8-seater sofa, cabinets, 55-inch television, all the cabinet freshly made, 2 fans with wall paintings, all the decorative pieces. This is the kitchen. This is a recently made modular kitchen with the entry to the balcony with a washing machine fixed and a covered balcony, UPVC covered. This is the second bedroom with a king-size double bed, study table, chair, covered balcony, a TV and a cabinet. 2 balconies have been covered with UPVC. Each room is attached with a AC. This is the second balcony, which is again covered, openable, with a beautiful view around. This room also has a attached bathroom, spacious newly built bathroom. This is the master bedroom, very large in size, big cabinets on both the sides, bedside tables, lightings, fans, AC, with the attached balcony with a beautiful view again. This again has a attached bathroom with a passage and mirrors and cabinets, and this is the bathroom. That's a large size bathroom with all the geysers and attachments. This is the 4th small bedroom, which can also be used as a separate home office or study room.